Following the previous night's rain, Xianggujing Village in Weishi County woke up in the midst of a heavy fog. As the fog begins to lift, a crescendo of activities is happening in the woods nearby. Xianggujing Village is located in Baima Snow Mountain Nature Reserve. Sitting at the foot of the mountains, the village belongs to the Lisu people, an ethnic group, while up in the mountain forests, the Yunnan snub-nosed monkeys thrive. An endangered species, the Yunnan snub-nosed monkey lives only in China. Along with giant pandas, the monkeys are a national treasure. Looking adorable, these simians are among the most beautiful creatures in the world. Yunnan snub-nosed monkeys are naturally wary of humans. They maintain a constant vigilance, but these people wearing camouflage are taken for granted by the monkeys. They're the forest rangers of Baima Snow Mountain and the guardians of the snub-nosed monkeys. This old man teaching an American zoologist to speak the Lisu language is Yu Jianhua. Now 67 years old, Mr. Yu has built a team of monkey guardians, but few know that some 20 years ago, he was once the best hunter in the village. While acting as the guide for the scientists searching for snub-nosed monkeys, he fell in love with these intelligent simians. After spending half of his life as a hunter, Yu decided to devote himself to the protection of these creatures and has since worked towards this cause. In Jianhua, there are about 20 guardians, like Mr. Yu. They all come from the 3 Lisu ethnic villages nearby. In order to observe the monkeys and collect data about their behavior patterns, food sources, and health conditions, Yu Jianhua and his colleagues followed the monkeys every day for many years. They tread through the mountains, and the shoes wear out quickly. The Yunnan snub-nosed monkey was discovered by humans about 100 years ago. But for a long time, people had little knowledge of these creatures because the Yunnan snub-nosed monkeys live only in the high mountains and are rarely seen. The monkey guardians have spent years tracking and protecting the monkeys before the trust between them was built. The monkeys are no longer scared, and Xianggujing has become the best place for people to get a peek at the Yunnan snub-nosed monkeys. For those who study the monkeys' behavior patterns, the village is a mecca. The Baima Snow Mountain Nature Reserve is in the middle of the Xianggujing Mountains, with a typical vertical distribution of vegetation. For Yunnan snub-nosed monkeys, this place is not just their main habitat, but for many other alpine animals and plants, it's also their homeland. In the Baima Snow Mountain Nature Reserve, Xianggujing is the epitome of the harmony between humans and nature. Here, the nature reserve and Lisu settlements have blended into one. As the snub-nosed monkey population grows, the once enigmatic red-lipped simians have become much more well-known.